CCTV footage and a witness are now helping investigators crack the kidnapping case of a businessman formerly connected with slain Tanawan Mayor Antonio Halili. Gary De Leon with the story.
In this CCTV footage, businessman Alan Lumbres Fajardo can be seen alighting from his white SUV and entering a hotel lobby in Santa Rosa, Laguna last April 3. Fajardo entered a restaurant and took a seat at a table. Minutes later, a white van arrived. 10 armed men wearing bonnets and bulletproof vests disembarked and proceeded to the front of the lobby. They forced a security guard to lie face down and seize his gun. Then they searched the restaurant for Fajardo, who was found hiding under a table. A witness says he saw it all.
Mamaya may narinig akong positive. Doon nga po nagpuntahan lahat yung mga armadong lalaki at may narinig pa ho ako na boss lalaki na, bakit? Anong kasalanan ko sa inyo? Yun. Maya-maya ho ay parang tinangay nila.
The witness said he thought it was a legitimate police operation.
Kilos nila ang pagkakaalam ko parang police.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Eh sila lang naman po may karapatan na parang ganong move yung sanay sila.
Fajardo's wife said the victim was still able to call her before the armed men found him.
Nung gabi po nung dinukot siya, nakatawag ka po siya sa akin around 8 o'clock po. Sabi po niya, Han, ang daming pulis dito sa Seda Hotel Santa Rosa. Nakadapa kaming lahat. Tapos nakat na po yung
The armed men dragged Fajardo to the white van and forced into the vehicle.
Ang makikita naman natin dito sa mga suspect ay talagang, of course, ito ay premeditated at talagang pinagplanuhan. At kung titingnan natin ay talagang lumalabas pa rito na meron ding intel aspect na sinundan talaga nila yung biktima na kung paano nila kukuhanin or dudukutin.
Police says Fajardo was in the restaurant to meet a business acquaintance.
We just got that information from the relatives, specifically the wife, na bago umalis dito ay mayroon ng business transaction. Kaya yung angulo nga ng negosyo ay hindi natin dinidiscount. At yun pa rin ang inaano namin dahil ang nabigay lang sa amin ay pangalan.
Investigators says Fajardo's name was included in the PNP drug matrix but was taken off the list after presenting himself to the NBI. Fajardo was once connected with the office of slain Tanawan Mayor Antonio Halili. His family is now offering 2 million pesos for anyone who could provide information about his whereabouts. They also blame the Santa Rosa PNP for lapses in security. The Santa Rosa police says they are doing everything they can.
We're hoping na buhay pa rin po at yun nga sabi ko na hindi tayo titigil hanggat makikita ang biktima.
The NBI meanwhile is investigating the persons Fajardo was supposed to meet at the restaurant. For News 5, Gary De Leon, We Are One News.